Hello mga idol! Naghahanap ka ba ng fresh and crispy chicken dito sa Abu Dhabi? Dito lang yan sa Chiquitos Fried Chicken Cafe. So ano pang inaantay nyo? Tara!
Hello mga idol! So for today's vlog, andito tayo sa Chiquitos, ang pinipilahang manok dito sa Electra, Abu Dhabi. Super affordable, juicy, crispy, and freshly cooked chicken. Perfect ngayong summer! At meron silang summer deal promo starting July 15, 2025 until next month. And this promo includes 3-piece crunchy burger plus 3 free drinks for just 32 dirhams and 3-piece royal wrap plus 3 free drinks for just 24 dirhams. And they have 3-piece singer burger plus 3 pieces wrap plus 1 large fries and plus 2 garlic sauce for just 52 dirhams. And they have bucket chicken 10 pieces plus 10 pieces strips plus 2 regular fries, 2 coleslaw, 6 garlic sauce, and 4 free drinks for just 79 dirhams. Rice lover, they have 2 pieces chicken plus 1 mandi rice plus 1 free drinks. Sulit na sulit talaga! For their drinks, you can choose between calamansi juice or iced tea. Super refreshing and bagay na bagay sa chicken. At marami pa silang ibang summer deals. Check the screen! And mag-a-add ka lang ng 10 dirham and get a mini pizza and you can choose what flavor you like. And ito nga ang pinili ko. Sobrang cheesy ng pizza na to at napakalambot at sarap. Freshly baked mga idol. Simot sarap talaga dito hanggang buto. Located lang sila dito sa Electra Street, Abu Dhabi. Likod lang ng Max Supermarket. And walk straight and makikita nyo na agad ang Chiquitos. And also, meron din silang Al-Ain branch. Kung nandun kayo, visit nyo na din sila mga idol. For delivery a la carte meals, tawag lang sa 054-488-2357. Chiquitos will deliver straight to your door. Freshly cooked, crispy, at talagang malasa. Sobrang panalo talaga tong Chiquitos mga idol. Kaya mga idol, don't miss out. Visit Chiquitos today dito lang sa Electra Street. Follow, like, and share Facebook and Instagram page for more updates. So ano pang inaantay nyo? See you!